All right, guys, we just finished cleaning, polishing. It's all clean, panel prepped, everything. I've got 7 different sealants and wax type spray products. You'll know some of the companies, some you won't maybe, but let's have some fun. Let's apply them and let's see how long what lasts. Today is 9/26, so that's September 26, 2025. And let's start this off. Let's start with the first one. We got Greenways. This is from Greenways Car Care Products. This is called Trench Coat, a glass-based resin coating. So this is probably the only one I think that says, no, there's one more that says coating wax. Oh, there's a couple coating waxes. Anyway, it's a spray product. Glass-based resin coating. Make sure surface is prepped. Spray on the surface, wipe it in, and buff it off is basically what it says. Okay, it's been about 30 seconds. Let's take a look over here, and you can see where it's been applied. A little bit darker. All right, so the second spot we're gonna fill is ceramic sealant by Flitz. So this one protects against a lot of stuff. Color fade, salt, UV rays, brake dust, all kinds of stuff. Says it's better than a wax, streak free, and you can apply 2 layers after 48 hours. And I'm just cleaning up any overspray that I saw. All right, let's put the ceramic detailer, ceramic sealant by OP. They used to say this lasts a year. Okay, the next one is Fireball's Ultimate Wax. Let's shake it up. All right, let's try out the graphene coating wax. All right, here we've got Katiba. This is wet wax. It says 1 to 2 sprays per panel there. All right, on the last panel we've got Signature Wax, another one that lasts about 2 months and can be topped with gloss booster. All right, we got 30 seconds in. Let's buff this off. All right, so we've got 6 different sealants on there. I've cleaned up the tape with some Goo Gone, so I'm gonna leave that just like that. And until I start to wash it, that's going to stay this way. And that's gonna be our dividers all set up the same. Let me take a picture for reference. And on the top corner, graphene wax from McKee's 37, Greenways Trench Coat in the middle, Ultimate Coating Wax from Fireball. Down here is Katiba's Wet Wax. We got Katiba's Signature Wax in this corner. In the middle, we've got Flint's Ceramic Sealant there. And OP ceramic detailer at the bottom. So that's what we're doing. Everything has been prepped, clayed, and polished previous to applying. And let's see who has the best, I guess, hydrophobics, who has the best longevity, who has the best looks down the road after we start washing it. I can tell you that the OP was pretty much the slickest one on application, although all of them were fantastically slick. All right, guys, so stick with us. Like I said, today is September 26th. So the temperature today is 85 degrees. We're inside, but it looks a little bit cloudy, so it's a little humid. But I'm sure it's not 85 inside here. I haven't really broken any sweat. Stay tuned for more. Tell me what you think is going to happen or if you've tried any of these products.